Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math algebra problem. And now here we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here the very first thing we are going to do is, so first we rewrite this expression as this is 4 to the power of 11 minus 2. And now we write this 4 as 2 square and its power 11 minus 2. And now you see here we use the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. Here we use this nice exponential law in this expression in order to write this into the simplified form. So here we multiply these two exponents and it is written as 2 to the power of 22, because 2 times of 11 is equals to 22 minus 2. And now we break this exponent 22 and we write this exponent 22 as 21 plus 1. We know that 21 plus 1 equals to 22, and this is minus 2. And here we again use another nice exponential law. You know that if we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So here we use this nice exponential law on this term and we write this term as, so here we just break the exponents and we write it as 2 into 2 to the power of 21 minus 2. And now you see here you have 2 be the common term, so that now we take it common 2, and the remaining terms are 2 to the power of 21 minus 1. Okay, so in the next step we again rewrite this expression as 2 into, here you have the exponent of this 2 is 21, and we write it as 3 times of 7. We know that 3 times of 7 equals to 21 minus 1. Okay, so in the next step here we use another exponential law. You know that if we have a to the power of m into n, we write it as a to the power of m and its exponent is n. So now we use this nice exponential law on this term only. Okay, so after applying this exponential law on this term, it is written as 2 into 2 to the power of 7 and its whole cubed, minus we write this one as 1 cubed. We know that 1 cubed is equals to 1. Okay, so after that here we write this into the simplified form. We know that 2 to the power of 7 is equals to 128 and its whole power 3 minus 1 cubed. So here we need the nice cubic formula. You know about this nice formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here we use this nice cubic formula to the above term. So here we have our a is 128 and our b is equals to 1. So now we substitute a equals to 128 and b equals to 1 on this formula, and it is written as in this form 2 into so we have a minus b, so a is 128 minus b is 1 into a square, so a is 128 square plus ab, so a is 128 and b is 1, and plus b square, so b is 1 square. So in the next step you see here we have 2 into 128 minus 1 is equals to 127, and here we write this 128 square as 100 plus 28 and its whole square, plus we have 128 times of 1 is equals to 128 plus this 1 square equals to plus 1 only. So here you first multiply this 2 by 127. So in this question we cannot use the calculator, or calculator is not allowed in this question. we just need this product. You can easily make the product of 2 times of 127, and you easily get the value is 254. So here we use the nice another square identity, and we know about this identity. If we have a square, if you have a plus b whole square, we know that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus ab plus b square. So we use this nice formula to the above term. So we apply this formula on this term only. So here you have our a is 100 and b is 28. So we write this term as 100 square plus 28 square plus 2 times of 100 into 28 plus this is 128 plus 1 equals to 129. So in the next step, we rewrite the above expression as 254 into, we write this 100 as 10 square and its whole square, plus we know that this is 28 and we write this 28 as 20 plus 8 whole square, plus here you see that 28 times of 2 becomes 56, and 56 multiplied by 100. Here you see that 28 times of 256, and 56 multiplied by 100 is equals to 5600. Okay, so we just directly substitute the value of these term is equals to 5600 plus 129. And now in the next step, here we again use this nice square identity on this term. So we write this expression as 254 into, here you see that you get to 10 to the power of 4, plus here we again use this formula and you write it as 20 square plus 8 square plus 2 times of 20 into 8, and plus we add these two terms and we get here 5729. So now here again we need some simplification, and we write it as 254 into 10 to the power of 4, plus we know that 20 square equals to 400 plus 8 square equals to 64, plus when we multiply this by 20 times of 2 becomes 40, and 40 times of 8 is equals to 320, and plus we have this is 5729. So here we need to just add all of these values, and after adding these values we get our answer is, so that when you add all of these terms, then you write it as, here you have 10 to the power of 4, we write it as 1 into 3 times of 4, and when you add all of these terms, so it is equals to 6513. So here we need to multiply this 24 on both of these terms. So when you multiply 254 by this term as 254 by 6513. So here when we multiply this term on this, then you easily get the value is 254 and 40, and plus when you multiply these two terms, then you get here 1654302. So these are the simple traditional multiplication, and you can easily get this multiplication without the calculator. And now we add these two values and you get our final answer. So after adding these two terms, then you get here 4194 and 302. So this is our final simplified answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.